Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to be sharing with you some fall and Halloween Dollar Tree decorations I picked up, and also I stopped by Dollar General and they have a lot of cute Halloween decorations out right now. So I'm going to show you what all I bought there too. So give me just a second and we'll get started. I want to start out with this cute little wooden sign. I have not been able to find this at my stores, but my sweet friend Dawn mailed this to me, so thank you so much, Dawn. And she also mailed me some of the pretty sunflowers, and they have two sizes. So thank you, Dawn. Okay, and here's a cute little scarecrow sign. It says Happy Harvest, and my daughter actually picked this out for me while we were on vacation. So I thought it would be cute on a wreath, so you could separate if you wanted to and maybe just use its little face, or you could use all three parts. So I thought it was really cute. Okay, and then let's see, we found this Harvest Blessing sign while we were on vacation. Thought it was really pretty, and it's a pretty big size too, so if you don't like the way this looks, maybe you can paint something neat on the back. And then we also picked up a little scarecrow broom, and then here's a little give thanks little banner. And then I think my two favorite finds at Dollar Tree for fall are these two scarecrow signs. Aren't they adorable? One says Happy Fall and the other says Welcome, and they're dressed so cute. So I think so far this year these two are my favorite. And then let's see, I'm trying to do everything fall first and then Halloween, but I've kind of got it mixed together on my table. So these could be for fall or Halloween. So I picked up these little styrofoam pumpkins, and I picked up about 4 of those. And then let's see here. Well, give me just a second. I'll move all this out of my way and we'll start with Halloween. Okay, for Halloween, I picked up this cute pumpkin sign at Dollar Tree, and you could turn it around and make it into a snowman if you wanted to later on. So I picked up a few of these. And then these are not anything new, of course, but look what I found. Last year I did a splatter screen wreath, and I used these witch's legs. I used the purple and black glitter leggings, or whatever you want to call it, on it, and it turned out so cute. So I got another pair of witch legs. And then I got this sugar skull sign that's got glitter on it. And I also got the ribbon to go with it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really neat and colorful. And then I found this Beware sign. Let's see if I can back up a little bit so you can see it. And it has glitter on it too, and it's pretty big. So you could also, if you didn't want to use it for Halloween, save it for later and paint something on the back. And then I got this little cat sign with the jack-o'-lantern. And then I also found some of just the plain pumpkin. So you could use this for fall or Halloween. And so you could do some Mod Podge on this or paint it. And then here's this one. This is new to me. I've never seen this one before, and I'm not very good at painting, but I may try because I think this would look so cute on a wreath. And then this is something they've had for a few years too, and sometimes they're a little bit hard to find, but they have these in a few colors too. Sorry, it's not wanting to cooperate. But they have the cute little witch legs, and you can stuff these with cotton balls if you wanted to and put them on a wreath. And then I found this sugar skull garland the other day, and they have it in 2 colors. So my daughter, she really liked it, and they have this also in like blue and green. And then here's some string lights, and they're eyeballs. And I also have these that are just some you could glue on a wreath that don't light up. And then I picked up some more roses. Picked up some of the bright purple roses. Aren't these pretty? I just can't believe they're only $1. And then here's something that we have never found, or we have never seen at our Dollar Tree. I don't know if you found any of these or not, but it's a 3D wreath form. So I'm trying to figure out what to do with this. So hopefully I'll come up with something creative to make. Okay, and then, let me see, I've got another sign over here. Maybe I can reach it. Sorry guys, I'm not trying to be loud. Okay, and then this is one of my favorites. I used this one last year too. The Witch is In. And then I also found these little pumpkins that are so cute too for a wreath. And of course, everything has glitter on it. My husband gets so upset at me for getting glitter everywhere. Okay guys, so I think that's it for Dollar Tree. So give me just a second and I'm going to show you these super cute Halloween decorations I found at Dollar General. I don't think this thing likes me. Okay guys, and everything here is from Dollar General. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? And it was only $5, and they had 2 different designs. And it's made of wood. I thought that was really cute. And then, this is one of my daughter's favorites. Look at these little gnomes. They had them in 2 colors, only $1 each. And then I got this cute little sign, Trick or Treat, and it was only $3. And then this little sign right here, I love the way it's painted. It was only $2. It's got a little stand. And here's another sign, Trick or Treat, and it was also $2. And then I picked up some pom-pom garland. They also had this in black and white for $1. And I think my favorite find of all yesterday at Dollar General were these ghost signs. And they're made out of metal, and they're only $3.50. So this one says Trick or Treat, and this one says Boo to You. So aren't these adorable for $3.50? So I thought y'all might want to hurry to Dollar General too. I'm excited to look for more things. I was in a little bit of a hurry yesterday. So that's just what I grabbed. And so I hope you enjoyed watching my Halloween and Fall Dollar General and Dollar Tree shopping haul, and I will have more soon. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope everyone's doing good.